the electric roadster concept. So basically this is building upon the design language of the Polestar Precept. So this is Polestar's future for sports cars as we see it. Like I said, it is a concept, so we are not sure whether it's going to go into production. However, we had the Precept last time we were here at Goodwood, and now it's going into production as the Polestar 5.
Right.
With a few changes, because we need to make it road safe and legal. But so that's the Polestar 5 is doing the hill climb at Goodwood, if you're interested in seeing that. So we're hoping if we get enough interest this weekend, that potentially in a year's time we'll be saying that this is going into production as well.
Right.
But yeah, as it stands, we have no figures or anything on it because it is very much a concept at the minute. One of my favourite features of the car is there's actually a drone at the back that you won't be able to see. But if you deploy the drone, if you're taking it on a track day or if you're taking it on a drive down the coast, then the drone will follow you around the car. It will then go back into the car. You'll get your footage onto your 15-inch media screen in the middle. You can edit it, you can send it to your friends, your family, which is quite a nice little fun feature from Polestar.
Yeah.
We'll see if that happens.
Is that
in
an
real
option?
life.
This is it because it's a concept.
It's a concept.
Yeah.
It's a car of dreams. Who knows what's going to happen?
Yeah.
It's just a bit of fun, a bit of innovation. So yeah. It's a stunning colour. It sets off so nicely with the Swedish gold on the seat belts and the brake calipers. It's beautiful. But yeah, take a look around.
Thank you.